What's the cake for you? Look. Bon appetit. Let her have a poke.
Oh,
Go on, let her have a poke. Let her have a poke.
Ooh, knocked out my hand.
Look at your cake. Can Daddy have some? Yes,
Yeah,
after
no,
you've
didn't
made
they-
tacos.
So you just smeared it on the top, so.
Yes, I did.
Is this because there wasn't?
I think in the words of the Bionic Man, they're breaking up to.
Don't want that bit of shit.
You need to put a bit of like oil or something in it, like with the
I
eggs.
did.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Greasy prawn.